Hi guys, happy Monday. Welcome back and let's jump right into the groove. We have a couple of things to do today. First off, you're going to scroll down to your figurative language assignments, and what you see on there is an assignment called personification practice. What is being personified? Once you click on it, you will see that you have a total of 4 sentences, 4 practice sentences. This is not being graded. And what you're going to do is you're going to tell me what object is being personified and then what human trait or quality is given. So, for example, we have the wind whispered through the dark and gloomy forest. What's being personified? What is given human ability? It's the wind. And what can the wind do that only humans can do? Whisper. Okay? I also did number 1 with you just so you have another extra one to look at. Number 1, the gardener lovingly added the manure to his crops, believing he was making happy flowers. What is being personified? Flowers. What are the flowers doing that only humans can do? Well, be happy. Okay, that means you have 2, 3, and 4 to do on your own. And once again, this is only a practice assignment. After you get done with that, you'll scroll up to your Number the Stars chapters, and you will be reading chapter 8. You can either read chapter 8 on your own, or you can listen to me read to you in my lovely Beyonce voice that I know all of you miss. Okay, after you get done reading chapter 8, you have an assignment for Number the Stars, chapter 7 and 8 questions. Okay, the first part, you are putting things in chronological order, and then once you click next, it'll take you to the short answer responses. So I want to focus on this section because we've never done something like this before. What you're going to do is when you put them in chronological order, which means you're going to put them in order of what happened first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So first event, you'll click on here. Second event, you click on whichever one it is. Third, fourth, and so on and so on. Okay, after that, please make sure you hit submit so I can grade it to you. Keep in mind that after you hit submit, you also need to hit submit on here so you know that you've done it. Again, if you have any questions, shoot me an email or a message, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have an amazing week. Love you. Bye.